Okay, so what I'd like to quickly show you, and I don't know exactly how far into the course you are, but this is really important early on, so don't get overwhelmed if you don't understand half the code on my page or whatnot. But what I'd like to show you is the power of the internet to find solutions to your coding problems. And it's really easy. Sometimes you just need to take the effort of going to Google or Yahoo or whatever, but I use Google, and searching for whether or not someone else has had the same problem. So what I have here, sorry, is brackets with a bunch of different files. And here, I'll just preview what I'm working on. It's the website for the class that I'm teaching this semester. I've got a syllabus, some course materials, and then a home blog. And what I'm trying to do here is, this is an SVG file, so basically scalable vector graphic that I created in Adobe Illustrator. And what I want to have happen is when you click on this, different data shows up, etc. And this is still very in the very prototypical phase here. The problem is that I'm having is I'm using all sorts of CSS, which is what you use to style your SVG and your HTML. And everything that I've learned to center this SVG on the page, these three boxes, is not working. So what can I do? Simple solution, really. Go to Google. How do I center a SVG image on the page or in a div? And look at that. A great website called Stack Overflow, which is attempting to find an answer to every question about coding out there. It's awesome. They have unbelievable help here, and people basically vote for the best answers. Well, look at this. I have an SVG that I'm trying to center in a div. The div blah blah blah. Anyone know my error? SVG is inline by default. Add display block and then margin auto. It'll work as expected. So let's go here to my styles and try this. So oranges. We'll just do margin auto. And add display block. Hit save. Go back here, refresh, and look at that. It's in the middle. So just like that, I found an answer, and you can too using Stack Overflow.